Hi, I am Kokila and you're watching my channel Tech Kokila. I have launched my YouTube channel just a month ago and I have faced many difficulties in selecting the tools required to capture the audio, to record the video and editing those videos. My content was ready, but I was struggling with the tools. Which should I go for? Should I go for free or paid? Good content doesn't make value if your video is blurry and your audio is noisy. But now, after making some videos, I can tell you what tools you can buy or download to start your work with almost zero expenditure. So there are basically three things. The first thing is the microphone for good audio quality. You can use your mobile phone, but for me, that output of audio is not great. So my thumbs up is for Boya. You can use it with your camcorders, your cameras, audio recorder and PC of course, and is perfect for video use. I have purchased the one from Amazon. The link for that is in the description box. Second thing is a recording software to capture and record your screen while also recording your audio. So my thumbs up is for OBS. OBS is an open broadcaster software which is used for the purpose of recording screens and live streamings and is really good and I'm really happy with that. And the third thing is the editing software, Photo Director 12. I'm using that for editing my videos, but if you want to try some other tools, you can definitely try the DaVinci Resolve. There is Shortcut which are free, open source, and for today's video I didn't use OBS. Instead my Moto G5s Plus camera to record myself. I hope now you can make a stress-free video, that too with zero expenditure, because I have purchased only microphone, that is Boya, and my Power Director 12 was with my Windows 7 HP laptop, and OBS is totally free. So you can make stress-free video with almost zero expenditure. So bye bye.